RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat spoke out about Hinduism many things in his Vijayadashmi speech at the headquarters of RSS, Nagpur. He awared the Hindu of India. He provided an example of Bangladesh, what actually happened. He spoke out that many political leaders, especially Congress and Rahul Gandhi, they wanted to diversion of Hindu community, and that's why they raised many times to about the caste census and another thing. But Hindu must have consolidated to overcome their problems. If you live in a society and your adjacent have any bosti, you must take care there what actually deficiency in the bosti. You go there, you must have provide their food or education what actually they have needed. He spoke out, I went a society where their people, their students have some problem to school, they have not much school, and they raise their problem. Immediately they are present some Rajput, they take care to their school, and immediately give proposal that you must send 20% of student in our school free of cost. So that's in this process society have realistic change. If you broadly change your society, broadly change your country comprehensively, must have help the Dalit community to profile their in a right wave, in a positive wave and wave of society. He said, Balmiki Jayanti, why it celebrate only Balmiki colony? Because Balmiki, who wrote Ramayana, for across the Indian people and basically Hindu people. So why only it celebrate in Balmiki colony? It should celebrate across the India, all Hindu community. He spoke about many things that if Hindu not be consolidated, therefore problem came down. And in present time India have many things in our environment, in our food, in our culture. It got contagious because when wave coming from western country, we are imitate the culture of western country, and we got demolished day by day, we decrease our culture day by day when we imitate the western culture, and totally it contaminate our society, our culture, our food, our water, everything. In present time we are very prefer to get fast food. That's not Indian food, that's Chinese food or Western food, and it deteriorate our human body and mind at the low level, and our thinking decrease day by day, our innovation decrease day by day for the cause of this um, unusual work and unnatural significant way. So we must have to change, we must have to restore our um, culture what actually continue in past time. We restore our food what actually we ate in past time. So everything we restore, and basically our culture in ancient India what actually past they are, this culture regain in our society for better a fruitful outcome.